Oh, we have a joyrider back here. He jumped on the bus. There's a kid right
There's a couple of them.
There's a couple of them on the back of the bus.
They're riding on the bus right now. There's more coming. They're on.
He likes that.
We just got to hit some hitchhikers here, but
Sure he does.
can't blame them.
Hey, it's an e-ticket ride.
Free taxi.
I wonder if they're on my
I don't think you do really good.
Where do you go when you buy your minutes? Put down there. Motorcycle. Rent a car. I want to rent a motorcycle.
They're just talking away. There's like 3 of them. I don't know if 2 of them just stayed on, but there was 3 of them.
Oh, wow.
I was literally just thinking that you literally what's the name? Careful of it. Stories.
Prison is right in front of us.
They're still taking like something out here. I think they're like stuck in there. That happened in here. I know they're weird. Kindergarten. There was another side back there with the video. Hey, look, turn around.
I know.
No, just take it until he goes.
Photo, video,
He was actually looking in.
Oh, that's funny.
right here.
Oh, wow.
Here's a motorcycle gang. It looks like.
Soccer team.
Soccer team.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that fish.
That's dinner right there. Gotta get your Coca-Cola and your Fanta. This is it, downtown Jeremie.
Wow, there's the hardware store.
Everyone's very friendly.
Uh-oh, we're going to hit the curb. There's no doubt in my mind. Barbershop. Yep, that's all up.
$10 for 5. Yeah. $10 for they were ready.
Sailboat.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't let him grab your phone.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Hi. Picture? Bonsoir.
They got the fist bump downs. They've learned that.
Hold your phone down. Yeah, that scared me. Hold your camera out.
Okay.
Well, he's a piece.
This is Port-au-Prince.
What is it?
Look at her. Yeah, but she got foot.
Yeah.
Look at dinner right here, Taylor. Right beside us. Right beside us.
Here's dinner. This is what they're eating. It's a dried fish.
Look at the fish mark.
Here's the catch of the day.
Wow.
Oh, did you see her? She goes, she bit her foot. It's a fish market. So they all. I know, but they're like.
This is it.
She turned it.
Hey, they're considered like stealth.
What?
I feel like somebody walking by her and came to one pretty wrong. I mean, I don't know if that's the case here, but I've heard that in third world countries that a lot of times they're outcasts. That guy was stoned. He just got stoned. Yeah, all these places have like bags of flour or something. That's their sewage system. That's yeah.
You gotta get your Red Bull anywhere you're at.
They have a trench. That's what it is. That's how they do their sewage trench. That's why people are sick. They got no sanitary ways. That dude was flying. Hey, you take your life in your own hands and you break down and shoot. Oh my God. I'd get out ready for the fight. Oh God.
All of the sunken boats that are just sitting there. There's a shipwreck.
Yeah.
It's just there.
That's a nose boat.
There's dinner. This is called the Black Beach because it's so polluted. We call it that. I don't know that they would.
They do them like, yeah. I mean, like, they make a once a week thing.
You see the fishermen? These fishing boats.
That's what they play soccer. You've got to clean the trash off the sides to keep the ball around. I mean, something.